on the matter on Wazobia TV Street Chance. My name is MC Shaggy. They watch me live on channel 195. Start time. Make you not touch the die. The question when I carry enter street now, be see, recently they bring one lot from CBN, say blah blah blah, BVN, one thing they call BVN. So you must get your BVN. As if you get any account, you must get your BVN so that they not go deactivate or they not go cancel or they not go seize all your money when they for account. But the question when I want through for street now, they say yes. You want to seize everybody, you want to seize person. When what of person get like 10 million for account? Person gets some huge amount of money for account. What will be the person reaction? I ain't go feel if you seize that kind of money for your account. If you deactivate your account. Still on the matter on Street Chance on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Make you not touch the die. If you touch Sham, that TV go catch fire. But don't let her catch fire. Still on the matter. Make it. Okay, I do your BVN yesterday.
No, I did.
You never do one, why you never do one?
Because of the chance now.
Chance not there.
Chance not there, yes.
Okay. Few question one I want to ask now. As you do now, you get one kind of huge amount of money for account. And they can't deactivate your account. They can't seize your money. What you go do?
That one a big wahala.
A big wahala.
I go cost Besedia now.
You go cost Besedia.
If I go there, if I enter the bank, everybody when they go know say I don't enter. I go scatter it with the my own money. How they go seize am? Unless they go close bank, you know the government they don't carry me that.
All right, still on the matter on Street Chance on Wazobia TV. This is one of the questions that they asked person inside bank yesterday. Say, I they asked the person inside bank yesterday if they can't deactivate the account and you get a huge amount of money for them, which will be your reaction and the level will be there. Still on the matter. Make it. Okay, how far now? How you do? You do your BVN?
I don't do it.
You don't do it, what if you never do and they can't deactivate your account?
I don't know what time for doing. I must do it because I know if I don't do it, I don't go see money withdraw now.
What if you can't get huge amount of money that you can't forfeit it?
That one I'm big. You know, some people say suffer from yesterday. As of yesterday now, you know, some days say now when they won't just come and go collect maybe 1K for their ATM, they get that kind of problem. And they no get option. They get that kind of problem. They no get option than to just queue. To do the thing now.
All right, that's still at the matter. All right, that's still at the matter on Street Chance on Wazobia TV. But, Becky. Alpha. You do your BVN yesterday?
Yes.
You do them?
Yes.
Yeah, you don't do them, Abi?
No, it was yesterday.
Speak pidgin English, no worry.
Okay, I don't do them yesterday.
Now yesterday you do them.
But it take me time.
Take your time. Why you call delay reach can't time before you go do them?
Well, Yoruba say, you know hard. Now they make this blacksmith pikin know they get a cutlass.
Abi.
All right.
Blacksmith, Abi na goldsmith.
I know blacksmith na alagbede.
Okay, alagbede. All right.
Koshoro.
Okay.
They go come alagbede loko.
Abi. All right, still on the matter. Oga, as you dey like this, you not come do your BVN and you get like 10 million or some amount of money for account. They can't deactivate. What you go do?
They deactivate 10 million from my account. I go carry my bed, go to sleep for the bank.
They go sleep for the bank. Still on the matter, this one make me know say yes, This BVN, most of the time, if you look well, if you shine your eye well, now the less privilege for the country, now they affect. You want to tell me say if they fit deactivate any politician, any senator, they fit do them. They know what they do. Still on the matter, back it there. I know some may not go do your own, but no, they made them not to use our head for this country. It's too much. Still on the matter, back it there. Okay, Alpha. You don't do it. Come on, that is sorry. Wow, baby, I don't know. All right, still on the matter on Street Chance on Wazobia TV. Back it there. Madam Alpha. Why the shop? You don't do your BVN Wazobia TV.
My BVN?
BVN.
I'm not too sure.
You are not too sure?
Yeah.
Nobody you go. Why you say you're not too sure? Which kind of English be that now?
I'm not too sure I've done it. That's why.
But you never go back at all?
I never go bank. I don't get bank accounts.
Why you can't say you're not too sure?
Because I don't get bank accounts.
You go say you never do, and which one be all this money English?
I don't get
accounts.
accounts.
You go say you don't get accounts.
Now, how else I dey keep my money?
Which one about this one? I see you do all those village
Sorry,
like.
I've done it.
All right, still on the matter. What if you never do them? They don't seize the money when they
It's my
account.
money. I worked for it.
But they said they will seize some money.
Why would they seize my
They will
money?
deactivate your account.
Why would they deactivate my account? What for?
So what do you feel about that, BVN?
Oh, if they should deactivate my account, then I must sue them.
You sue them?
Yes, because I didn't steal my Nigerian money. It's my money. I worked for it.
All right. Well, you can find out where now. You see, if you notice where, because they ask different people now, see, if they deactivate like 10 million, 15 million for your account, what will be your reaction?
My reaction will be terrible.
Terrible.
It's going to be terrible, very terrible.
Still not the matters, I tell you, if you wash out where, they no fit seize any big man money for this country. Now only the less privileged, they like to intimidate. Still not the matter, quick there. I tell you on your face, now one person for House of Assembly, National Assembly don't get to bring that idea to chop money. Still on the matter, quick there. Po! Bro, Oga, well done. You don't hear, you go so full. No, you dey go. Ekasusa, this man is not in the mood to talk. You want to talk, sir? This is Wazobia TV. Have you done your BVN?
I never will do it.
You never do it?
Yes.
What if they can't deactivate your account? They can't seize your money?
I bet it has been extended.
They don't fit.
They fit.
They fit do am. What you go do now?
I will go and do it now.
Okay, thank you very much. That Baba not to get what I want to tell him. Not to understand what I want to tell him. All right now, still on the matter. Bro, you don't do your BVN?
Yes.
Yeah. What if you not do them?
I go do am. Why not go do am now?
But if you not can do them and big money to your account, what you go do?
I go back bank. I
You go beg bank.
go beg.
You go beg the bank.
Yes.
If they not can agree,
They will agree now. They will agree. If I give you
if
money.
you say no, they not go agree.
If I give you money, they will agree now.
If you get what you,
If I give you money, they will agree.
if you get big money, they agree.
Yes.
Like which kind of money if you say they agree?
Like 1.40 million.
1.something million.
Yes.
Yes. They agree, abi?
Yes.
No matter, straight chance of Wazobia TV. Break it there. Oga fan, your face too strong. Smile, beg.
Yeah. Wetin dey happen now? I no understand why.
No, you not go fit understand now because can street chance and they bomb it to people anyhow. See what happen there. You don't do your BVN.
Yeah, something like that.
You don't do something like that. You not today sure.
I know today sure.
You never today sure. Guy, you never do your
I
BVN.
don't do am.
You never do am.
I don't do am.
You not do am. What if you not do am? You get big money for account. What will be your reaction? If they cost you your account, what will be your reaction? You say Wetin?
I will scatter the bank
How you
if
go
I
take
get
scatter?
money. If I get millions on my account and I haven't done my PV, they close my account. I will ask them to give me my money.
You ask them to give you
Yeah,
your money
sure.
so that you can keep your money at home.
Yes, I will go to another bank. What about the people that want to open account now? Would they do the BVA later?
That's true.
Yeah, so it doesn't make sense telling them that we must do the BVA by
Is
force.
it a must that they should do it?
Yes, by force.
Is it a
We
must
do it
that-
at a convenient time. Yes, that's what they be
This
saying.
time. Thank you
Yes.
very much. God bless you. Now, what I want to hear from you.
Yeah.
All right, because mostly if you watch and forcefully CBN the first people to the bank to do their BVN, which is not be the better thing they're supposed to do for this life. So on the matter on Street Chance of Wazobia TV. Okay, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
You don't do your BVN.
Since I'm a banker.
You be banker.
Yes.
Thank God. This question will go to you well. The person not do one. Between me and you, the person not do one. What will be the reaction? What will be the reaction of the?
Well,
They go deactivate them.
I don't even know, but I think the problem is if you
Fear me speak easy.
unless you have ATM, it will be easier for you to withdraw your money. Shey you understand? But if you don't do it, if you want to withdraw from another bank, it's wahala. It's wahala. And you can only go to your branch to collect where they know you to collect money. Yes.
What made them bring the idea of the BVN?
I don't know there are people that are defrauding people now. Yes, now to curb the time of defrauding. Yes.
Most of them they defraud the politicians.
I don't think so.
And they defraud the whole country.
Now you talk.
All right, still on the matter of Street Chance on Wazobia TV. Quick. Okay, good afternoon. All right, this man is saying be deaf and dumb now. He say no fit talk now. So the God don't let him be deaf and dumb. So this one. Hello, sweetheart. How you doing?
Good.
Wazobia TV.
Oh, really?
Really? Oh, I don't need that English in a pidgin I want now. So how far now?
I'm good.
No, I don't need that English, I beg.
I don't speak pidgin.
Hey, now they talk where you they stay. Formal forget. Where you they stay for this country where they speak pidgin? Where you they stay?
I'm in Nigeria and I live in Lagos.
You live in Lagos. I know if you speak pidgin.
Because I know if you speak pidgin.
Alright. Alright, so what you did there? You don't do your BVN.
Naturally.
I wish I would be natural again. Natural is not for this English when you sick. I wish I would be natural.
I don't do
Okay, me say BVN follow you come forever. Alright. Yeah, she did here. Even me, I not see her, but I know say she did there. Because she be woman of God. Anything will make her lie not good. Alright, so you don't do your BVN?
Yes, I have.
If you never do them, assume you say you never do them. And guess how huge amount of money they brought today here. Yeah. They can't close your account. What you go do?
It won't be funny. It won't be funny.
Not the joke that time. What of you, bros?
I've not done it. I'm still planning to do it.
What of you? You get like 10 million for your
But I can't do it on my account.
Let's say not get big money for your account. All right, still on the matter. Okay, good afternoon. You don't do your BVN?
Yes.
You don't do one?
Yes, I've done it.
If you never do one, if they seize your money, what you go do?
I cannot do anything. What can I do? We have to beg them.
You have to beg.
We plead to them.
If you get like 10 million, what go?
They cannot do that.
They cannot do that.
They cannot do that.
Sincerely speaking, they cannot do that.
They cannot do that.
They're not born their way.
Lie.
How long? All right, still on the matter of street times on Wazobia TV. They watch me like, if you watch well, you go feel and say, most Nigerians, they don't do their BVN. Most Nigerians, they don't get their BVN number. Most Nigerians, at least they follow the rule and regulation of the CBN. This and that, but you know, too funny. See, I get like 10 million, you know, too funny. I'm a Shirawa. Hello. I be like that too. 10 million. I'm a Shirawa.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.